山治美兰打前地 Largo Sanches Miranda.山治美兰打前地 Sanches Miranda Square. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Sanches Miranda, you once went here, meandering Taipa village, a street you once walked, a place you once called your own. Take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Sanches Miranda, you once went here, meandering type of village, a street you once walked, a place you once called your own. Take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take me, take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take me, take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me, show me, show me, show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, we're in Macau, we're in Taipa. Some different stuff here. I didn't see this before. But we're in Largo Sanches Miranda. We're on Foot Street right here. We're gonna briefly take a look at that. And you can see all the crowds all the way down that way. We'll also show that. But our target street is actually going to be this little plaza right here. So we're going to kind of show you what it looks like. And a little slice of Taipa here for you. Okay, we have the beautiful slice of Macau up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. And it says take you there as if you're there yourself. Macau. Okay, so we're going to go briefly into here. And then this is a food street. So our street that we're going to be targeting, usually I target a street in Macau, will be right off of this one. This is Kunyagai, and it's extremely busy. It's actually a Saturday right now, and it's also in August, so there's a lot of tourists around. Our street is down that way, but yeah, you can kind of see it goes out into this little bomberos, and that goes into Taipa Central. So we're going to be following this way. And this goes into our Sanches Miranda. It'll give you a feel for what it looks like. It opens up into this plaza already here. So you can see it also says Largo Sanches Miranda right there. You got some nice artwork in here as well. Written in different languages. Korean, Thai. We're going to be meandering into this way in a minute. There's a lot of little things in here. Looks like they're doing some kind of restoring at that location. And then in here, this will lead into that same little plaza down that way. Kind of a cool building right there. Okay. So we're gonna meander down. Playground. Tons of people over here. We'll definitely follow through in that. We still have our sign right there. Do you see people filming in this space? So I guess in Chinese, all these mailboxes, let's say something that they want to capture. Okay. Got some long lines right there. We'll see what that's all about in a second as well. Here's Chinese Cafe Imprint pork chop buns. And then this one, let's see what this one is. This one is, I guess it's World Tour. Okay. Oh, I got this long line right here too. And I think this will actually end up ending the end of our street right here. Let's see what this is all about. Looks like it goes around the corner as well. Comes out to Dumbo Restaurant. Yeah, that line goes crazy long. So this is actually the end of the street, and I guess it's all going to that venue right there. Then we got all these more people all in line all the way around. So tons of people here. So the line just goes all the way around the corner. Let's see how far this line goes. Oh, okay. So this line also goes all the way around here too. Okay, so that line goes all the way around like that. Just to kind of give you some other context, we're gonna follow that line along, but then this goes into Pedescuera, some other venues down this way. Yeah, that line is long. Okay. So we are going to keep on walking down. So it looks like this line goes across that way. Yeah, this line is huge. So it's still going around the whole line like that. Wow, okay. Wow. So this line keeps on going. That's crazy. And it goes all the way out this way. So the line actually ends there. And that Bomberos is on the other side of this one, so we're just gonna come back in a few minutes. So we'll come back to where that place is at. It's actually pretty easy to go back to it. Let me see. Let's go this way. I'll kind of show you. See all these long lines. Wow. So that whole line goes all the way around the corner, and then we're gonna go down through this way. I'll show you. Wow, there's actually a little thing up there. Got a little. So I think we can go down this way. And now we're back at our target street, which is this one right here. So this was our little Largo Sanches Miranda. Now you can see that we're back. And then we're back to our long line again. Let me see if we can. So yeah, I guess they're all coming for their whatever is in there. Let's see what that is. Okay. You got super long lines. So this is all Largo Sanches Miranda, and it's also another taste of Macau, so you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. And I am going to continue down this way, and I just want to fill in the gaps so you can see. Basically, this is a very popular tourist area. Food Street is on that way, and then down this way is where the entrance into Taipa village starts at. Okay. So we're gonna end it right there. Slice of Macau for you. Crazy, those lines are so crazy and long.